What's up, my lifers? How are we? Welcome to Angie and Real Life Empowerment TV. I am your host, Angie, and today we are doing a lock update video. If that sounds like something you are interested in seeing, then stay tuned. If you made it this far into the video, then that means you're interested in my journey. Before I get too far into this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Consider getting a channel membership. And if this video is informative to you, or if you just want to be a blessing to the channel, don't forget to hit that super thanks. There is a super thanks on there. So I thank you in advance for becoming a member. Welcome, life changers, world changers, and thank you for the super thanks in advance, and thank you for thumbsing it up, and thank you for sharing me out. Thank you for all of that. So guys, I am 90 days locked. October the 16th made me October, July, August, September, October. Ooh, August, September, October, November. No, I'm 90 days. I had my locks installed July 3rd, and I'll insert a picture of the day one so you guys can see it. And I think maybe day 7, just to kind of give you guys a little idea of my journey. I had my first wash and retwist September the 16th. That was the soonest I could get in. And this is where we at now. We have lots of budding. If you guys are wondering what bud is, budding is your lock starting to form, and they're starting to mature. So you can see, like, initially with the coil twist. I started with comb twist, or coil or comb twist is what they called them. I started out with those. That was my preference. Some people start out with 2-strand twists. Some people start out with braids, but I preferred the coil method. And you can see on the ends that they're not sealed. You can kind of see the coil is still there. I do have one in the top that is kind of like sealed on the end. Well, was it one? Yeah, this one. You can see this one is starting to seal. You know how the locks have that little look on the end? Just a little bit. And it's almost like form. That's all that's left of that twist. So that's like a big bud. See them buds? This is the one that's almost sealed at the end. But you can see the budding there. It kind of looks like the lock is pregnant. And check out that new growth. See all of that? This is the growth from my twist in September. So honey, it's growing. To me, it was a little bit dry. So I used rose water, and I also used a couple other oils. I bought some rose petals, guys, to make my own rose oil. I mean, my own rose water, not rose oil, but rose water. I bought some stuff to make my own rose water, but I let my roses die. Yo, I had the roses over a month. So I'm not sure if I can still use them. I think I threw them away, but I'm not absolutely positive. So I spray water on it every day. Sometimes I'll pull it up and wear it up like this, just so it can give my face a little definition. That's probably like my go-to. Just because it looks a lot neater. This will probably be the size of my locks. I had like some little fuzz balls hanging off, but that's how it looked. Let me see if I can let you guys see the bag. If you can see the bag, that's how it looks. I need to shape up, but if you guys can see that, that's how it look in the bag. In the top, y'all, look at all that gray hair. I hope y'all were able to see that. As much as I can show y'all. But that's how it look in the bag. They're budding. I got a lock style put in. and I wore the style for like 4 weeks. And then I was so anxious to see how my hair looked. So I took it out and let it breathe a little bit. I think I got a little bit paranoid because I start watching other lock videos and they were saying like, when you get starter locks, you shouldn't manipulate them too much. You shouldn't keep them tied down too much because you will actually compromise the integrity of the lock. So I kind of got nervous, a little bit antsy about that. So I went to take it down and air my hair out. I have not washed it. My hair hasn't been washed since my retwist. I want to do a lock count. The oils that I use, again, I had some lock oil that my friend made for me, and then I just added this regimen. I just added this. Do you guys remember this? The Stay So Fro. We used to use this when we had a jerry curl. Y'all, this is not an all natural product. It has water, glycerin, some other things I can't pronounce, but the moisture is everything. My locks are so soft, but I wouldn't use this every day. Maybe twice a week. I haven't washed these on my own, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna go this month, which is October. I'm not due for a retwist until November. But the way that my hair looks, I don't know if I can actually keep going every 2 months because it is growing, and it is growing really, really fast. It's a different look for me, guys. So I'm trying to get used to it because I really prefer a more cleaner look, you know, so I'm trying to get used to it. And I think it'll grow on me eventually. So I am excited about the journey. So guys, if you're considering starting locks, I would say go based off your hair type. My hair is a 4C, 4B type. Coils were better for me. Everybody's hair is different. And yes, mine is starting to lock. It is starting to lock, y'all. Y'all see all that budding? The process has begun. And I think that's it. So overall, I'm excited about the journey. A lot of locticians and a lot of people on YouTube that have locks, they say for me to enjoy this journey. Enjoy it while my hair is at these stages because it'll never get back to this. But I just think it's so neat to watch the process. It really is, because hair is alive. I don't know if you guys know, but the hair that's actually, the length of the hair is actually dead hair. So our main focus, and anybody's main focus, not just anyone that's natural or have locks, is to pay attention to your good scalp. You want a good, healthy, clean scalp. And that makes all the difference, regardless if you're relaxed, regardless if you're natural, regardless if you are locked. And as you guys can see, it looks like it's dry, but it's very moist. So I do spray water every day. I just added this, but I won't do this every day, because if I use this every day, I will have to wash my hair a lot, because this will have it really, really greasy. Really, really greasy. And I didn't ask my loctician if I should use this. It's just that my hair was dry, even with the oil. And my hair is high porosity. When you have high porosity hair, I mean, it sucks up everything really, really fast. So it's hard to maintain moisture when you have 4C, 4B hair and it's high porosity. Because my hair, before I would soak my hair down really, really well, and my hair will be white, and within an hour, maybe 2 hours, it will all be dry. So it's really hard to keep my hair moisturized. So I didn't ask her about this. So anybody out there that knows anything about locks, let me know what you think. Is this a good ad, or this is not a good ad? I heard the Jamaican lime spray, but I haven't been to the Jamaican lime something forgot what it was called, but I've seen it, but I haven't been to the beauty supply store. I got this from Walmart. So far so good. My locks are soft. They feel loved, and I'm excited about the journey. So guys, we are 90 days. I will do a lock count with you guys. As you can see again, you have the budding. The budding. We have budding all over. I don't think I have one lock that's not budding. I'm kinda, I didn't want big locks, y'all. But she told me when I went to the loctician that the base of your lock determines the size of your locks once it mature. So for example, if you start your locks with big parts, then more than likely that's going to be the width of your lock when they mature. And actually, some of my locks are different sizes, which I wasn't happy with that either. Like, I'll say this right here, this lock is my problem lock. Y'all, she be acting up. And I'll say, look at that one, and then look at this one. They're really different size locks. See the length? And I'm worried that this one's gonna break, y'all. So I try to keep it moist and try to keep my hands out of it as much as I can. That's why I think that it was a good idea for me to get a style. But anyway, guys, this is my update. This is it. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you have any questions below, comment below the questions and I'll try my hardest to answer them the best of my ability. One other thing that I learned about locks is that our hair loves water. I learned that moisture causes your locks to mature quicker, because we'll go into that on the next video, but I'll give you guys a little 411 about what I learned about what water does to locks. So guys, thank you for your time. I don't want to make this a long video. I appreciate your time. Please don't forget, if you haven't already, to subscribe. Thank you for coming back and watching my videos. Thank you for all your support. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and to subscribe, guys, and tell anyone and everyone you know about what's going on in the world with your girl Angie in real life. And y'all know what to do in the meantime, between time. Oh, wait a minute, did I tell y'all? Y'all know what y'all make happen for others gotta make happen for you. One planet, one water, but it's the Almighty God that gives the increase. It is in Him that I live, move, and have my being. And I could do nothing without Him, guys. And I hope you feel the same way too. So thank you for going along with me on this journey. So y'all know what to do. In the meantime, between time, live, baby, live. This is... Y'all see that hang time? Y'all see that hang time? Y'all see that hang time? Real life. Angie in real life with one L. I am your hope dealer and your purpose pusher. 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 Here's what you gotta do. Hit the button, splash and comment too. Here's what you gotta do. Hit the bell, subscribe,